Hi, I am Dr. Sharjeel and you are watching my YouTube channel. When I first posted the two dacryocystostomy procedure videos, one of the viewer commented that kindly show us how you perform nasal packing. So today when I was performing dacryocystostomy, I made nasal packing video, and today I would like to show you how to perform a nasal packing video. But before DCR, you should make the patient comfortable. His or her blood pressure should be normal, and you can give a sedative or anti-anxiety tablet before surgery, because I perform it in local anesthesia. And my mentor Professor Sahaf used to tell us that if a patient allows you nasal packing, he will allow you comfortably the whole procedure, and a good packing means that the job is almost done. So let's show you how I perform the nasal packing. Now the question arises, why we do nasal packing? Proper nasal packing is very important to decrease per-op nasal mucosal bleeding. It is done to keep the mucosa taut and reduce per-op as well as post-op bleeding. Roller gauze is first soaked in xylocaine plus adrenaline. Few drops of topical anesthetic should be instilled first in ipsilateral nostril, then open the nostril with nasal speculum and start to insert the nasal pack with nasal packing forceps in the direction. The direction is very important. The direction should be superior and posterior and a bit lateral. And you should try to put gauze in the medial meatus where you have to make osteotomy. Try not to put too much pack so that the patient becomes uncomfortable and too much forcefully. Gently put the gauze in the nose and not too less so that it could not stop the bleeding and serve its purpose. So in my technique, I put it the wet soaked gauze, and then when I feel that enough packing has been done, then I cut it, and in my technique I remove it at the end of the surgery and don't leave it overnight. Thank you very much.